Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw house. Let's draw door. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's draw sun. A tree. Some apples. Fence. Fence on the other side. Another tree. Mangoes. Let's make it more prominent. Let's color together. We are using red color. Red color. We are using red color. To color the sun, we are using yellow color. Yellow color. To color the sun, we are using yellow color. Pink color. We are using pink color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Which color is this? This is pink color. We are using pink color. Which color we are using? We are using pink color. Pink color. Light blue color. Light blue color. Purple color. To color the door, we are using purple color. To color the door, we are using purple color. Which color we are using? We are using purple color. Dark green color. We are using dark green color. Dark green color. To color the fence, we are using brown color. Brown color. Brown color. This is brown color. To color apple tree, we are using light green color. light green color, light green color, light green color. This is apple tree and we are using light green color. This is mango tree and we are using light green color. To color the tree, we are using light green color. To color the apples, we are using red color. To color the mangoes, we are using yellow color. Red color. This is orange color. Gray color. This is gray color. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.